Right, what were the few things that we remember from this morning? What was the key points from this morning that we need to remember? Ren, you had your hand up, Paul. You went down, okay? Ellie.
That you always start in the ones column.
Good, always going to start in the ones. What else? Anything else that we need to remember?
If you're doing the one way, you could do lines. You've got to always put a line at the bottom of your...
Good, the line at the bottom tells us that we're going to write the answer underneath that.
The answer.
Good, and the other thing about setting out our working?
Make sure that it's straight under each other, or it might be hard to...
Lining up our place value columns. Awesome too. For this afternoon, we're going to look at numbers where we have to trade or carry over. So here I've got a number sentence, 45 plus 36. So now we can put that into our column addition. Well, actually, first off, can someone come and make 45 and someone come and make 36? Leon, come and make 45. Cam, come and make 36. 45. Think. They're hundreds, aren't they? 45 and 36. While they're doing that, we want to line up our place value columns. So we're going to put our 45 and our 36 lined up straight underneath each other. What else do I need to remember to put in? What operation am I doing? Plus. Thanks, John. Awesome. Yep, pop them in there. So 45, great. 36. Now, what did we do earlier? What did we start with? Ellery told us before, where do we start? The ones. And what do I need to do with the ones? Add them together. You come out and put our ones together. Yep, so grab all our ones over here. Don't worry about it. From here. Put all our ones together over on the equals side. So we've got 6 ones there, or 5 ones there, sorry, plus 6 ones. What do we get all together? What do we get all together, Ben?
11.
So what is our problem? What is our problem here? 5 plus 6 makes 11. What's our problem, David?
You can't write 11 on the...
Yeah, I can't put 2 digits in my ones column. It's true, I have 11 ones. So what am I going to do to fix my problem here? I've got 11 little blocks, 11 little cubes. What am I going to do to fix my problem, Luke?
Take away 10 and swap it out for like...
Good, I like that. I'm not taking away, swapping it. I'm trading it in for a long. Can you come do that, please? So I'm not getting rid of anything. I'm rearranging it, regrouping it. So we've taken 10 ones and we've traded them in for a long because it's easier to work with. It's less little things to be worrying about. So now, in my answer so far, I have 11. How do I write 11 then in my columns on the board in my answer? How many ones do I have on the floor there? How many ones do I have on the floor?
You have... Wait.
How many ones do I have?
How many ones do you have? You have
One. I have just one sitting there. So I can put in my ones column just the one. How many longs do I have, Billy? One. Where am I going to put it though?
You put a little 1 above the 4.
Yeah, so I'm just going to put my T in for tens column, and I'm going to put a little 1 above the 4. It's not a big one, because if I write it next to the 4, if I make it really big, what would that make it look like?
125.
Yeah, so we don't want to do that. We want to keep it in the tens column. So we write it in our tens column. Now, we want to put our tens together. We move on to the next column. Can someone come and do that, please? Izzy, come and put all our tens together. So she's going to collect them up. So we've got 40 and 30. So 4 tens, 3 tens. Plus we had the one there already. How many tens do we have all together? 8. Oops, I've changed colours, that's okay. So now I have 81. And we can check our answer because we can see it on the floor as well. So can you see how what we were doing on the floor, putting our blocks together, rearranging it, is the same as what we do in our writing? The reason why we move that little 1 over is because we're really trading in 10 little ones for a long, which represents our 10.